So you're trying to get into drifting?
Yeah.
What kind
Hey
of car
guys,
do you have?
it's jman 63 here. I'm doing video.
What kind of car do you have?
I don't drive. I have a disability, but I take
Why are you trying to get into drifting?
I take buses and everything.
Yeah?
Yep.
Well, you know, I'm
You got a
pretty sure.
seatbelt?
You know, I don't think you have to have a license as long as that, you know, trying to get into it. I think you can.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're here at Langley Ride-Alongs.
I got you.
Thanks, dog. And this is a what red BMW
Good?
E-Series. What year?
89.
89. All right,
Ready?
guys, we are about to get it out here. I was in the Toyota that was over on this side earlier, and that S6000 Toyota with the spoiler. That was my first ride along over there. We're going to see how this BMW compares to the longer Celica with the 2JZ. Here we go again. More adrenaline seeking. Definitely got a different feel than the 2JZ. You can definitely feel the four banger going here. So here we go. What's your name? What's your name?
Can you see? You put it down so you're blurry. There you go.
What's your name?
Casey. My name's Casey.
Casey. All right.
Yeah, you're getting fogged up. You gotta open it up.
All right. Awesome.
How's the helmet? Helmet's good?
Yeah, I can see just fine now. Awesome. He's letting me open the helmet so I can see my filming and my angles and stuff.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome. Guys, remember to subscribe to the jman 63 for more content. And this summer we're going to have a lot more cool stuff. Oh my God, that was absolute insanity. That was pretty fun, guys.
Like that.
Bro, that was awesome. I'm gonna, oh yeah, I gotta go back to the trailer because I gotta return your helmet.
She owns the helmet right here.
Oh, she does.
She got the helmet right here.
It's jman 63. I am out, and I will catch you on the flip side. All right, see ya.